Welcome to CloudSage Technology Private Limited's official channel. At CloudSage, we provide high-quality training in various SAP S/4HANA modules with experienced instructors dedicated to helping students reach their full potential. Whether you are looking to enhance your skills in SAP or prepare for certification or explore new interests, we have a program tailored for your needs. Today, we are going to break down the concept of SAP for you in about 5 minutes. Defining SAP. What is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing and is one of the most popular enterprise resource planning software on the market. It is a ERP software suite that helps businesses of all sizes manage their core business processes such as finance, production planning, sales and distribution, material management, human resources, controlling, etc. It is a highly integrated system. The specialty of SAP is that all the different modules work together seamlessly. Benefits of using SAP. There are many benefits of using SAP, including increased efficiency. SAP can help business streamline their operations and automate many manual tasks. This can lead to significant time and cost saving. Improved visibility. SAP provides businesses with a single view of all of their data, which can help them make better decisions. Enhanced compliance. SAP helps business comply with complex regulations such as those related to accounting and finance. Agility and adaptability. SAP helps businesses adapt to change quickly and easily. Who will use SAP and why? SAP is used not only by MNCs but also many small and medium-sized businesses. In fact, according to the official SAP site, over 80% of its customers are small and medium-sized businesses. Here are some specific examples of how SAP is used by businesses in different industries. A manufacturing company will use SAP to manage its production processes from raw material procurement to finished product delivery. A retail company will use SAP to manage its inventory, sales orders, and customer relationships. A consumer product company will use SAP to manage its product development, supply chain, and marketing campaigns. A financial service company will use SAP to manage its customer accounts, risk management, and financial reporting. A healthcare company will use SAP to manage its patient records, billing, and clinical trials. A technology company will use SAP to manage its software development processes, customer support, and financial reporting. A telecommunication company will use SAP to manage its network infrastructures, customer accounts, and billing. A transportation company will use SAP to manage its fleet of vehicles, shipping schedules, and customer orders. A public sector organizations will use SAP to manage its financial resources, human resources, and citizen services. In conclusion, SAP is a powerful ERP software suite that helps businesses of all sizes improve their efficiency, visibility, compliance, and agility. Whether you are looking for a career with vast opportunity or you are looking for a way to streamline your operations and make better business decisions, SAP will be the right solution for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and updates. Do not forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. You may also visit our website or call us on the contact number given below for more information. Thank you for your time.